Bakit sa atin 'pag ambisyosa ka, mayabang ka kaagad? Like seriously, when you say you want to be successful, ay, ang feeling mo, nag-invest ka, ay, meron ka palang pera, and then nung nagpaaral ka ng sarili mo, ay, nag-e-eksena. We are literally the most creative when it comes to putting each other down. I'm not just talking about strangers. Ako mismo, nagda-doubt at pinagtatawanan ako ng family ko, ng mga kaibigan ko, ng mga katrabaho ko. They would bring up every single time I failed. Di ko naabot or di ko nagawa. Just to remind me why I shouldn't even bother trying again. Every time excited ako mag-share ng something, they find a way to kill that fire. And you know what's the most painful part is? Hindi sila strangers. These are the people I love, the people I trust, and the people I care about. But if I hadn't been ambisyosa, if I let what they said get to me, I wouldn't be here right now. My drive, yung mga bagay na they were doubting at pinagtatawanan nila, that's exactly what got me to where I am today. I'm not stopping so that they can feel or say that they were right. I'm going to keep going to prove to myself and to them na hindi sila tama. Actually, I'm all doing this for myself. So, if someone calls you ambisyosa, edi sige, be ambisyosa. Be ambitious. Let them freaking watch you. Kasi in the end, it's your life anyway.